everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I'm just coming on quickly to show you some more little things that I've been doing with using the snaps that a lovely Trudy from Gaga Toot sent me. I've been making some little laminated like envelopes. I've not stuck these ones together. I think they're well, they're just nice like that. I think that because I've used the comic magazines, Beano book magazine, not magazines, the books pages, I thought it's nice just to look at the silliness inside. You can still put little gifts in, or just put some tape down there if you want to tape it. It does work with, I'll show you in a minute, I've used the red tape. So yeah, I've just made 4 of these, because if you might remember when I did the video the other week, I'd done some just with paper and they ended up ripping, and somebody suggested laminating it, and I did. To start with, I thought, because I've got all these, I've got several of them that I've done with the envelope punch board, and I thought, well, if I do them like back to back and laminate it like that, then I would just be able to cut it down there and have 2 and have the inside, well, I'll do it the other way actually, have the inside just paper, but I decided not to do. I thought, no, I'm gonna laminate it all, and I just think it's nicer. So I've just done 4. There's that one and this one, but they're such fun. I can feel a little bit of a moment coming on with the laminator. I can't show you that because it's quite a big one, and it's not easy to show and do. There's that one, but they are such fun. I'm so pleased I found out about these. Thank you ever so much, Trudy. You're such a sweetheart. I can't remember which one I've shown you now. Did I show you that one? Don't know which one I showed you. Was it this one? Yeah, that one I showed you, didn't I? A little mermaid. Get up, you lazy lot. Wakey, wakey. Did I show you this one? I especially left this one undone because it's got all jokes. What do cars run on? A, custard. B, cars can't run. Or C, people who get in their way. What is the hardest thing in the world? A, maths. B, Smithy's mum's cement powder custard. Or C, not laughing at elephants on bicycles. Yes, okay. And that one, and then the last one, I have stuck this one together. It's a guide to illness, is it? Germs guide to illness. I mean, these books are years old, and as I say, I've just underneath just put a little bit of where are we? Yeah, just down there, a little bit of the red tape. I'll just show you in case anybody doesn't know what I'm talking about. Just this tape. I've actually used a bit wider one because it's a stronger tape. I don't think glue, I wouldn't attempt any glue, and I wouldn't attempt just the cheap stuff that you get from Poundland and that, but I'm pretty sure that'll stop on there. And if it doesn't really matter, but I think it will. Oh, and I did, before I did the side bits, I did just put a little bit under there to keep, oh, I haven't cut the corner off of that one, look. Just a little bit under there, just to stick that bit together. Just let me cut that corner off. yeah, so that's been fun. It was just a quick little thing. But, oh, they are just, oh, they're wonderful. I love them so much. So I'm not doing any more today, but that's all I've got to show you. But I will be doing some more. So I've had these envelopes cut out for, oops, absolutely ages. Oh, and that's when you use the envelope punch board to cut these little bits out, and that you get the little curved things, and I don't like throwing them out, so I just stuck them all together on a circular card and made some little flowers. Thought there was more in there. Oh yeah, there is. I've shown these before, so apologies if you've seen them. Just stuck those all together. Can you see? Look, circular card, little bit of glue. Done it. It's like a little pinwheel, isn't it? And then, oh, looking at it, I've just gone over it with a fine liner pen, just squiggles and that, and then one of my homemade dot things where you melt the beads in the middle, and that is those. Right, so thank you for watching, and yeah, just thanks again, Trudy, for that little set. I absolutely love it. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.